Hi guys, and welcome to the pre-sale page for Affiliate Profit Pilot. Now this launches on the 24th of June. On the 24th of June, I'll give you a full review and a full walkthrough. Today, I wanted to tell you about my bonuses and I wanted to tell you about my free downloads. So first, my free downloads. So come to the bottom of the page, right down here, right to the bottom, and you'll find the downloads. Now we've got more being added, so keep checking back to the page. All these downloads will disappear on the 24th, so if you want them, make sure that you claim them. Now, Affiliate Profit Pilot obviously tells you in the name what it is. It's all about affiliate marketing. It's a really neat little browser plugin that helps you create affiliate campaigns. Now, with that being in mind, I made all my bonuses affiliate related. Now, my first one is a done for you affiliate campaign. Now with this, you get a done-for-you affiliate campaign to be able to promote Affiliate Profit Pilot. You get the bonus page with the bonuses, and all these bonuses that you see here are included, plus the delivery with all the links. So you can use these as well to promote other products. If you want to use it to promote other products, you can do that as well. But let me show you the page. So this is a page you get. All you need to do is add in your affiliate link, and you can start promoting this as your own. Okay, all the bonuses are included. So let me walk you through the bonuses. So you've got affiliate funnel, you've got affiliate box, and as I said, these are all affiliate related. Affiliate link monitor, affiliate marketing master plan, affiliate marketing success secrets, banner boost, 100 bonus blocks extra. So with this, you get 100 done for you bonuses. So you can use those to promote any product that you want. And then you've got these as well. You've got another 100 included. Then you've got bonus gate. You've got buyer boost. You've got commission clicker. You've got crash course in affiliate marketing. You've got easy affiliate marketing, inbox timer, mail pitch pro, profit pulse, promo planner pro, recap rocket, supreme affiliate marketing. And so you can see everything there, all affiliate based. That's an amazing bonus. Now, you may think with this huge bonus you have to buy upsells or anything like that, but this is just for the front end, and the front end price on this product is $27. So you get everything I've just shown you there for $27. You get everything you need. Okay? So it launches on the 24th of June. Make sure that if you want those downloads, you claim them before the 24th of June, because those will be removed. Then on the 24th of June, I'll give you a full review and a full walkthrough of Affiliate Profit Pilot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.